That's the MojoMojo. It just fattens the high strings out a bit. Makes the Celestion V speaker in this Marshall DSL 40CR sound a little richer, a little fuller. Cheaper than buying a new speaker. Paul Gilbert uses this pedal. You should see the TC Electronics commercial, a video YouTube commercial with him promoting this. He mentions he likes it because it fattens his high strings up for leads. And it does round out the speaker a bit. So it's like 40 bucks. It's a lot cheaper than buying a new speaker. Give it a try.